Delhi locals by Arvind Kejriwal ji, and in fact even his associate Manish Sisodia ji is so absurd, which shows that how politicians should be responsible, and they are actually giving such kind of divisive statements. Because if central universities basically they represent all the students across all over the states who prefer to come and study in central universities, and particularly when Delhi is the national capital, we expect that all the students would want to come and study there. Now, if you see Hyderabad Central University here also, does not have any particular quota, though it was formed during the Telangana agitation of 1969. In those promises, in the 8-point promise of that then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, she has given this central university. But there is no particular demand by the students or academicians also that people from Telangana or Hyderabad alone should study here. Entire nation has accessibility. All the students who want better education, better academics can come to central universities and study. The same with the Delhi also, who can afford to stay in Delhi, or basically these students also come from different economic, social conditions from different states. Some have fellowships, some have scholarships, some are meritoriously very good. By giving such kind of a statement, they clearly understood that Arvind Kejriwal ji has given a political statement. But unfortunately, we should understand that major number of students who come to Delhi and study in the universities also are from Uttar Pradesh, neighboring Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. So it is so foolish of Arvind Kejriwal ji, who is going elections both in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. What does he mean that these students who are getting opportunities in Delhi should reduce? There is a chance of reduction in these students when you are increasing in the number of Delhi students getting quota in these kind of universities. So it is so unfortunate that if states start to think that only students of their own states should get into central universities, then where is the integrity of this country? It is a question to the divisive policies where states differ from the thoughts who want to come and, central universities are a replica of this nation. They bring all the students together, all thought process together, and that culmination gives the sense of a central university, let it be EFLU or even Hyderabad Central University. In the same, today Delhi University brings in all different states also to come and study there. So if you keep these kind of quotas and only Delhi students would get a priority, then where should the rest of the students go? They remain only in their states and study, because for these we already have state universities. So what is the big difference between state university and a central university? That Arvind Kejriwal ji should understand.